Today, I'm gonna upgrade the RAM in this Asus X441U laptop. So before the upgrade, we have around 4 gigabytes of RAM, and right now we have 2.7 gigabytes in use. That's with no apps open except this task manager. I'm gonna be adding an additional 8 gigabytes of RAM, which will make the total around 16. Now let's start the time lapse. Small problem, it won't let me into Windows since the sign-in option is disabled because of failed sign-in attempts or repeated shutdowns. I gotta use a different sign-in option, and there's no option for that, or leave this on for at least 2 hours. So I'm gonna wait for 2 hours and try again. After 2 hours of waiting, I was finally able to enter Windows 10. So I'm over here, I'm gonna open the task manager, and now we have 12 gigabytes of RAM. Before upgrading, I thought we were gonna get 16, since I thought that the Asus had 8 gigabytes of RAM, but it turns out that the Asus only comes with 4 gigabytes of RAM. So by adding 8 gigabytes of additional RAM, that equals 12. And if we look at the RAM usage, we're using 3.4 out of 11.9 gigabytes of RAM. That's 29%, and that's way better than what we had before. So it's around the same amount of RAM usage before the upgrade with the same amount of apps open. But now, since we have more RAM, there's a lot of extra space. So that's really cool. And I will hopefully improve the performance of this laptop for tasks like gaming or using multiple apps. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video. Feel free to leave a comment, question, or suggestion down below. Please like and subscribe for more, and also support the channel. So, thanks for watching.